Imagine this, you're out for a fantastic dinner with friends, catching up on life and laughter fills the air. The bill arrives, and a familiar dread settles in. Splitting it perfectly can be a nightmare, especially with multiple cards and dietary restrictions. Well, fear not, fellow foodies and social butterflies. There are solutions in the world of fintech, and today, we're diving into one called MintPay. So, how exactly does MintPay work its magic? Buckle up, because we're about to break it down into bite-sized pieces, easier to understand than your favorite dessert. MintPay in a nutshell, think of it as your financial wingman, offering two main ways to conquer your payments. Pay now for instant cashback. This option is all about immediate gratification. You pay the bill in full using your debit or credit card, and MintPay rewards you with instant cashback on the transaction. Basically, you get a discount for being responsible. Pretty sweet, right? Pay later in 3 easy installments. Sometimes, a hefty bill can leave your wallet feeling a little lighter. With MintPay's Pay Later feature, you can split the cost into 3 manageable, interest-free installments. This way, you can enjoy your purchase now and spread the payment out over a comfortable time frame. But wait, there's more. MintPay isn't just limited to restaurant bills. Here's where things get exciting. Shop online and in-store. Partnering with over 1,500 brands, MintPay lets you use their services for online purchases or even split in-store bills with friends. Take control. You're always in the driver's seat. Choose the option that best suits your needs, whether it's the instant gratification of cashback or the flexibility of pay later. Signing up is a breeze. No need to jump through hoops. Setting up a MintPay account takes less than 2 minutes, allowing you to unlock the Pay Later feature for even more control over your finances. Security matters. MintPay understands the importance of safeguarding your hard-earned cash. They use secure payment processing to ensure your transactions are safe and sound. So, who can benefit from MintPay? This handy tool is a great fit for anyone who wants to simplify group payments and avoid the hassle of splitting bills. Enjoy instant cashback rewards for paying up front. Manage their finances with the flexibility of interest-free installments. Shop online and in-store with a convenient payment option. Is MintPay the perfect solution for everyone? As with all financial tools, it's important to be responsible. Remember, Pay Later offers a convenient way to spread out payments, but it's still your money. Make sure you can comfortably manage the installments within your budget. The final verdict. MintPay offers a clever and user-friendly way to approach payments, adding a layer of flexibility and potential rewards to your financial toolkit. Whether you're a social butterfly splitting bills with friends or a savvy shopper seeking cashback deals, MintPay is worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy spending, responsibly, of course.